How to use Zelle with Capital One. Are you guys facing issues to use Zelle application with Capital One? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use Zelle with Capital One, first log in into your Capital One mobile app or the online banking website. On the dashboard, find and tap Send Money with Zelle, usually under the Payment and Transfer section. If it's your first time, you will need to enroll your email address or US mobile number with Zelle through Capital One. Once enrolled, to send money, tap Send, enter the recipient's email or phone number, and then type in the amount you want to transfer. Choose the account you want to send from, review all the details carefully, and then send to complete the transfer. For receiving money, any funds sent to your enrolled email or phone number will automatically be deposited into your Capital One account. Using Zelle through Capital One is instant, safe, and convenient, eliminating the need for a separate app. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna use Zelle with Capital One. If you guys have any issues regarding it, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.